This is a Honda Odyssey 2007. So after almost 17 years of service, this gave way. The hydraulic assist lift, look, doesn't hold anymore. And I've been postponing the repair of this so someone will hold when someone is putting things inside. Need this to remain. So I'm gonna do this. Use my ladder. I searched in Amazon and I found one of the good products, Max Pow. This is in no way a promotion of the product. Reviews are good, so this is the complete good fit for my Honda Odyssey 2007. So it says all ready to install, and this is a pair. Here it is. Good thing it's a sunny day today. It's just windy, but we'll make do of it. So I'll need some flat screw to pry this. So pry this open with a flat screw. See? There. This is the clip. Okay. Then now let me wear some gloves. I should be able to. Wow, it's hard. Oops. So I tried to remove this. It's after 17 years. It's so hard to remove, so I gonna use some W40. But there's a whole mess that happened when I removed this. That's why it's very important to really put this on the highest one. So now I'm gonna do that. It snapped and all the glasses broke. See, all the glasses, because it's protruding here, and then this snap, boom, it hit. I show you. So the $27 repair will cost me more. No way, Jose. I'm gonna spend more. Anyway, I learned the lesson the hard way. Oh man. Well, it's too late now, but I'm still gonna bump this up just to show you guys. Okay, still not enough probably. Use some more wood. There you go. It's not easy to remove this, huh? Yeah, there you go. See, because this is lower, it hit that. Too bad for me. So we do the same thing on this. I think there's also a clip, yes. Yeah, okay. So now this one goes in here. Do the same. Oh, should be easy like that, but it's hard. Now, this one couldn't even rotate. Made in China, okay. Does it have to be left or right? Does it say? You know what? If I do like this, then it's kind of not tight anymore. But I have to so that I can insert this. Oh, it's so hard to put this. Let's remove the clip for now. No, it should just snap. And just like this. This first. There, put the clip. And this. It's longer. Oh, there you go. I have to do this some more. There you go. Let's try it. So this is with one hydraulic assist. Man, still can't. We need two. It's powerful enough. Remove the clip. You don't have to remove completely, just push it up. See, like that. Okay. Oh, it goes back, so maybe you have to. There you go. I'm gonna use some lubrication so I can remove that. Yeah, there you go. That's why it's hard. It should be very easy to remove. Oh man. Okay. There you go. That's why Don't need to wipe, there's still grease. There. Again, we have this. All we need to do is lift this up. There. Let's see. Now it's done. Easy. But lesson learned. Now it's holding. And let's close it. I should have done this a long time ago. I should have studied that there's a protruding glass here that when it snaps, it will break. Beautiful.